Hey friends, are your containers running smoothly, or do you constantly struggle with blind spots and slow performance? In this video, I'll share 6 incredible tips to supercharge your container monitoring using Prometheus. Prometheus is one of the most popular monitoring tools for containers and microservices, thanks to its robust features like metrics collection, alerting, and visualization. But to make the most of it, you need to know the right tips and tricks. Let's dive in. Number 1. Leverage proper labels and annotations. Labels are the heart of Prometheus monitoring. Use meaningful labels for your containers to easily filter and group metrics in Grafana dashboards. Number 2. Set up efficient alerts with Alert Manager. Combine Prometheus with Alert Manager to get notified about critical issues before they escalate. Use thresholds for CPU, memory, or container restarts. Number 3. Use exporters for extended metrics. Deploy Node Exporter, Cadvisor, and other exporters to gather container-specific and host-level metrics seamlessly. Number 4. Optimize your retention policy. Prometheus can quickly bloat with data. Configure retention policies to store only what's necessary while keeping your queries fast and efficient. Number 5. Enable service discovery. Dynamic environments. Use service discovery to automatically scrape metrics when new containers or services spin up. Number 6. Visualize data with Grafana dashboards. Set up Grafana to visualize Prometheus metrics. Use pre-built dashboards to save time and get actionable insights instantly. With these tips, you'll monitor your containers like a pro using Prometheus. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tip was the most helpful. See you in the next video.